Welcome to our video on Etsy tags. If you are a seller on Etsy, you know how important it is to get your products in front of the right audience. One way to do this is by using Etsy tags. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about Etsy tags and how to use them to improve your visibility on the platform. Tags. Tags are your opportunity to include 13 phrases that describe your unique product. Each tag you add is a chance to match with a shopper's search, so spread them around and add some variety. Here are some tagging do's and don'ts. Tagging do's. Do use all 13 tags. Each tag you add is an opportunity to be matched with a shopper's search. Do use multi-word phrases. Your tags can be up to 20 characters long. It's better to use multiple phrases than to load your tags with single words. For example, custom bracelet is stronger than custom and bracelet and frees up another tag for you to use. Do consult your shop stats. Refresh the tags on listings that are getting less traffic and diversify the terms you are using. Do consider synonyms and regional phrases. If shoppers use regional spellings like jewelry in their search, we will still show them listings tagged jewelry. However, we don't account for some regional phrases. For example, if you sell flip-flops and a lot of your customers are in Australia searching for thong sandals, you should add thong sandals to your tags. Do target long-tail keywords. Instead of trying to compete for popular, generic searches, like tote bag or diamond ring, prioritize less popular phrases that describe what's really special about your products. For example, canvas tote bag or natural diamond ring. Shoppers who know what they want to buy often use more specific searches, and you can deliver just what they are looking for. Tagging don'ts. Don't repeat tags. The 13 tags you add should all be as unique as possible. For example, having tags such as octopus art print and animal wall decor will get that listing in front of more potential buyers than octopus art and octopus print. We will share more tips on diversifying your tags below. Don't repeat categories and attributes. The categories and attributes you add act like tags. So if an exact phrase appears in your categories, you don't need to add it as a tag. For example, if your item is in the statement ring category, you don't need to add statement ring as a separate tag. Don't include misspellings. Etsy search redirects shoppers to the correct results if they make a common mistake, so you shouldn't misspell keywords on purpose to reach shoppers who have made a tiny typo. Don't add tags in multiple languages. The titles and tags you add should be in the language you choose when setting up your shop. We will translate what you enter when we look for listings that match the search query. If you speak multiple languages, you can choose to translate your listings yourself. If you add your own translation, you can also add translation for your titles and tags. Don't worry about plurals. When a shopper enters their query, we look at the root words for the phrase they typed in and match them to the root words in your listings keywords. For example, a search for diaries would still be matched with listings with the tag diary because they have the same root word. Brainstorming ideas for tags. It's important to use all 13 tags and to add some variety and avoid repeated phrases. Think about what makes your products unique and how shoppers might search for those items. You might have to get creative to come up with phrases that are 20 characters or less. If the keyword phrase you want to target is longer than 20 characters, adding multiple phrasal tags containing those terms can still help you match with those searches. For example, Let's say your target customer is looking for minimalist diamond engagement rings, a very descriptive search that's way more than 20 characters. Break the phrase into multiple phrasal chunks that a shopper might use in search, such as minimalist jewelry and diamond ring and engagement ring. These phrases are more descriptive than breaking up the keywords into single words like minimalist or ring, but still contain all the terms that might appear in your target customer's search. Descriptive tags that clearly and accurately describe what your product is are a great place to start, but there are lots of different kinds of tags you can try. Descriptive. The categories you add to your listings should describe what your product is, but adding a few descriptive tags lets you describe your product in your own words. Remember, multi-word phrases are better than individual descriptive words. Examples: 1920s cat brooch, reusable straw pouch, striped ceramic mug, set of 4 coasters. Materials and techniques. You are the expert in your product. Add tags that highlight how it's made or what's unique about it. If you sell personalized or custom items, be sure to add some tag phrases that contain those words. Get specific and describe the techniques or methods you use. Examples: hammered cuff, custom embroidery, reclaimed wood frame, personalized tumbler. Who it's for. Give shoppers who are shopping for a gift but need inspiration some ideas with tags that describe who a product might be great for. Think of your target customer and who the ideal gift recipient might be. Examples: gifts for boyfriend, gifts for newlyweds, gifts for new moms, teacher gift. Shopping occasion. Put yourself in the shoes of a shopper who's looking for the perfect gift to celebrate one of life's milestones. Imagine yourself as a host looking to make an event extra special. What kinds of phrases would they search for that would be relevant to your products? A quick reminder: occasion attributes should be used to describe listings that are made for that occasion, so the Christmas attribute is great for Christmas stockings or ornaments. Adding occasion-based tags to your listings is one way you can reach shoppers looking for items that might be appropriate for an occasion, but not designed specifically for it. Examples: first anniversary, christening gifts, stocking stuffers, hen party, animal-themed party. Solution-oriented. Maybe your products solve some need for a shopper, making their life a little easier or helping them feel like an awesome gift-giver parent friend. Imagine how a shopper looking for a solution to their problem, be it a blank wall in their flat or a messy purse, might search for it. Examples: closet organization, workout headbands, lunch box decal, indoor garden. Style. A shopper's personal aesthetic informs their purchase decisions. We all want to feel like the things we buy showcase our great taste to the world. Use tags that describe the unique style of your products so shoppers who know what they are looking for can find them. Think about the time period, palette or aesthetic that matches your product and combine that with a word that describes what your product is to create a multi-word phrasal tag. Examples: art deco lamp, minimalist ring, rustic wall decor, typographic print. Size. For some products, scale can be key. Try adding tags that describe the size and shape of your products to reach shoppers looking for the right fit. Examples: shallow basket, large beach bag, toddler trousers, tiny gold hoops. Tools for updating your titles and tags. If you are ready to give some of these techniques a try in your shop, there are few ways you can make quick changes to your listings. You can add or remove a tag from multiple listings at once by checking the box on those listings in your shop manager, clicking editing option and selecting edit tags from the drop-down list. You can also edit your titles and tags by using the Quick Edit tool, which lets you make updates without clicking into each listing. And that's all for our video on Etsy tags. We hope you found this information helpful and feel more confident in using tags to optimize your Etsy listings. Remember, using relevant and accurate tags can make all the difference in getting your products seen by potential customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and tricks for successful selling on Etsy.